Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by spreadsheets? Want to turn raw data into stunning visuals and insightful analysis? Join us for a step-by-step guide that will demystify Google Sheets. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Sheets for tutorial. So first of all, have to do is open your browser and dive into workspace.google.com. This is the home page as you can see. So you have just to click over login and you will find this page, template gallery. So here we have recently used template. For example, we have to-do list here. As you can see, once you click over it, you will find the page of to-do list. So for example, I will delete this one. I will add my own. For example, I will just click over here. Then I'll just do it like that. Then I will write, for example, something help friends, for example, friends like that. Then the second one I will write, for example, other things like. Then for example, write here, for example, join school. Then other things here. So once you do that, you just click over it here like that. And this is how it works with to-do list, as you can see. Also we have your other things like you have to add blank spreadsheet here like that, or you can choose other options like to-do list, attendance, and other things. So once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. Here we have firstly the title. Here we have just to add a title here, and for example you write text here like that. Then you click over enter. You can just choose the option to this folder will be important or star. Also we have here if you want to remove on, for example, drive or other things like shared drives, computer, shared with me, and other things also. Then also we have other things like see document status. Here we have here if you lose an internet connection, you can't edit this document. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on online. So also we have here other things like search the menus and other options for writing here. Also here we have file, we have new, open, import, and we have here also share, email, download, and we have rename, move, add shortcut to drive, and we have edit here as you can see, view also. Then we have insert, format, data also. We have tools here, extension, and we have help also here. Then we have also other options like search the menus, window, redo, we have print, pen format, and we have the zoom here. For example, I will choose 150%. Then we have here format currency, we have format as percent, we have also decrease decimal places, then we have increase decimal places, more formats, and we have fonts also here. And we have here font size and bold, italic, we have straight row, and we have also text color, fill color, and we have borders here, merge cells, then we have here horizontal outline, vertical outline, then we have text wrapping, text rotation, and we have more here. For example, we write here one, and if you wanna just change it on currency, you click over here, and here we write 2, for example, 3, for example. As you can see, then we have a right here, for example, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then I will just add, for example, here I will add this option of sum. Then I will just select like that, and I will click over enter, This is the sum of 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. If you modify it and you add 5 here, for example, it will be modified here also, as you can see. Then about this one, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. About this one, I will just click over here and I will select average, and I will select this and I will click over enter. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. And about this one, I will select also here the minimum or the count or the max, for example. We'll select this and I will click over enter. So this is it. Also, if you want to select this, you click over here and you select it. Or if you want to select only this one, you have just to click over here and you select only this one. Also here, also the size like that if you want. Then we have here, if you want to just put it here, size. So this is it. So here also, if you wanna delete or paste a copy or paste special, or also delete column if you want, or clear column, then the same with that, as you can see. So here we have it. Also we have other options here like insert comment, we have insert link, insert chart, and we have also here create a filter views and functions also. About functions, we have all array, database, date, and generate, filter, financial, Google, info, logical, and we have lookup, math, operator, parser, statistical, and we have text, web, learn more also. So also we have here, if we wanna just put it like that, and if we wanna just go to the last here, as you can see, same here you have, if you want to select the sheet that you want, then we have here, if you want to delete this one, you click over here and you have just to click over delete, duplicate if you want, copy, rename, change color, and you can also put it hide. For example, this one is hide, and I will just go to here and I will find hide here. So let's wait. So here we have hide. So we have here show hidden. As you can see, you have Joe, as you can see. Then if you want to also delete it, click over here and you delete it. You click over OK, and that's it. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible. This is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.